The Samson Grout tie system provides everything you need for a professional and secure method of stabilizing solid and cavity masonry walls. During installation, appropriate personal protective equipment should always be worn. Drill a hole with the recommended diameter drill to the required depth, and remove any debris either with clean water or a Samson cleaning brush. Use both the powder and liquid in their entirety when mixing the Samson Grout to maintain a correct working ratio. Add the liquid first, then the powder, and mix well using a paddle until a uniform creamy consistency is created. This usually only takes a couple of minutes. Attach the required length of nozzle to the applicator gun, making sure it is fully sealed and locked tight. Trowel the mixed Samson Grout into the black cartridge and pump to the end of the nozzle. Then screw a correct length of helical grout tie into this and insert the nozzle to the back of the hole. As the cementitious grout is pumped in, the helical tie is simultaneously installed. The pressure created pushes the nozzle backwards out of the hole, leaving the tie firmly embedded in grout. This method improves the overall stability of the wall by filling voids within the masonry, whilst causing the minimum of disturbance. Make good the tie at the surface of the external masonry with Samson finishing grout and Samson color match mortar system. This method can be used in a variety of structures, including repairing delaminated bricks and reconnecting internal party walls to external leaves. It is also suitable for repairs to hollow potted brick, with the use of a mortar mesh. In addition, cavity walls can be repaired using a fully approved installation method to give a strong, durable and flexible repair. Samson Fixings. It's in the building.